I desire you when splinters of light appear, and the dew lazily joins morning sky, when arias, pining birds to mates sing. I want the soothing softness of your kiss. I desire you when the sun centers the sky, and shadows hide beneath the soles of feet, when butterflies dance among petals white. I want the sparkle of your smiling eyes. I desire you as the moon welcomes the night, and skies are flooded with twinkling bright stars.
When candles flicker their last silent breath, I then want to feel your sensuous touch. I desire you when passion swells all your soul, and your lovely face shines with radiance. When your moist lips are full of love's desire, I want to feel every pulse of your heart. I desire you when you are weary and down, and gray skies sprinkle droplets of sad tears. When the world laughs at your every stumble, I want to gently soothe your sorrows. I desire you, my love, in every moment, as time adds years like sands on the beach. When you sense your beauty slipping to the wind, I will want you so much more than now.